The 369 manifestation method has taken the spiritual world by storm, promising to unlock the power of your deepest desires. The method centers on 3 powerful numbers: 3, representing our connection to the universe; 6, symbolizing our inner strength and creative power; and 9, the number of universal love and completion. Let's follow Sarah as she demonstrates the proper technique for this powerful manifestation method. First, write your affirmation 3 times in the morning. Later in the day, around afternoon time, write your chosen affirmation 6 times, focusing intently on each word. Finally, before bed, complete the cycle by writing your affirmation 9 times, allowing yourself to feel the emotion behind each word. Continue this practice for 33 days straight. The number 33 is considered a master number in numerology. This method works with the natural rhythm of the universe. 3 represents our connection to divine energy. 6 amplifies our manifestation power through sacred geometry. And 9 represents completion, as it's the highest single-digit number in numerology. When writing your affirmations, maintain a clear mind and positive energy. Keep your affirmations in present tense, positive, and specific. Consistency is key. Try to write at similar times each day to establish a routine. Store your manifestation journal in a sacred space, treating it as a powerful tool for transformation. As you practice this method, remain open to signs and opportunities that align with your desires. Remember, manifestation is a blend of intention, action, and divine timing. Trust in the process, believe in your power, and watch as your desires manifest into reality. Click the link below for more help manifesting.